Hi everyone, so we'll finish off this drawing now. There's 3 more pieces we need to draw. Now we're going to put little pieces of wood in, so I'm just going to draw it there, and I'm going to put it in that position so I know which way it goes. And when I look at it that way, if I come down here I can see the big numbers first. This just saves having to rotate later. So my big length is going to be 150, and the thickness of this piece of timber is going to be 3. So 150,3, enter that. And then pull that up, and it's going to be up 10. Now I'll swing that around so that I can select the whole thing and make a group of it. Right, so make a group of that. Excuse me. Now I'm going to move that into place, so I'll take it, move it. Now be careful. Remember when those protractors pop up, be careful. So move it. Now that's fine there, so that's my first corner, and I want that to touch there. Now I'm going to zoom in nice and close here. And now I'm going to move it again, but this time I'm going to touch my option button, so make them copy and slide that across. See, that saves having to draw 2. So now we've got the 2 pieces of timber in place. So I'll move that back a little, orbit that around, draw another rectangle. This is going to be for the plastic. So same deal, draw it in the position I want. Have a look at the numbers there. So the big numbers first, 150, comma, and the plastic is going to be 4 thick. So we've got those 2 pieces of, if you remember the gap that we drew was 10. So the 2 pieces of wood are 3 each, which makes 6. So the plastic's going to be 4. So 150, comma 4, enter that. And then pull that up. Pull that up. Bear with me for a minute. Okay. Now pull it up 120. And once again, I'm going to group that before I put it in place. I'll swing that so I can make a selection of just that piece there, make a group of that. Now I'm going to move that into place. Now the bottom of these are going to match up with the bottom of these, so I'll just grab that from that point, slot it in, whoops, and there it is there. Okay, so you can see they're all lined up across there, there's no gaps. And the last thing I'm going to do, actually I might make a, oh no, I won't make it, I was going to make a group of the whole thing, but I want to individually put a texture on them. So I'll come over here, I think it's this one. Yep, and see how that's got the house and it's got the colours. If we go to this one, then you get all these different bits and pieces here. So I'll go down to wood, and there's different woods. I might pick the dark stuff here and put that on the 2 little fellas. Just for a bit of contrast, I'll get this stuff, that colour there. And it doesn't matter what you can make this whatever you want. You can even get colours if you want. And now the last little thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to glass and mirrors. And that stuff there makes it look like glass. So we touch this into glass, select out of it, orbit that around. Then you can see it sort of looks like it's got that clear plastic through it. Okay, so what I'll get you to do is, once you get it to that stage, put it in a position like mine so that you can see the full, good clear detail of everything. You can see the hole, you can see that all these joins lined up properly, you can see that it's clear and plastic through there. Take a screenshot of that, and that is what I will get you to submit. Thank you, good luck, and see you soon.